A new era of warfare, drones as a growing threat. The world watches as a lone drone cuts through the sky. Unseen, unheard, it carries a payload. Its target, a military base. The threat is real. Drones, once a novelty, have become tools of warfare. They are cheap, effective, and increasingly dangerous. From surveillance to targeted attacks, their use is on the rise. This new era of warfare demands a response that can neutralize the threat and protect our forces. America's defensive shield enter the anti-drone vehicles. The United States is not standing idly by. Across the nation, a new breed of weapon is rolling out. Anti-drone vehicles designed to counter this growing threat are taking center stage. These vehicles are not just modified tanks or repurposed Humvees. They are technological marvels, equipped with advanced radar, high-powered lasers, and sophisticated jamming systems. They represent a new line of defense in an increasingly complex battle space. The cutting-edge DM Shorad and Coyote, guardians of the sky. These systems represent the pinnacle of modern military technology, designed to protect and dominate the airspace. The DM Shorad, short for Maneuver Short-Range Air Defense, is a prime example of this new breed. It is specifically engineered to provide mobile, short-range air defense for maneuvering forces. Mounted on a Stryker-armored vehicle, it bristles with weaponry. This includes a variety of missiles and guns, making it a versatile and formidable opponent in any combat scenario. Stinger and Hellfire missiles provide long-range punch. These missiles are capable of taking down enemy aircraft and drones from a significant distance, ensuring the safety of ground troops. A 30mm cannon offers rapid-fire defense against close-in threats. This cannon can unleash a torrent of firepower, neutralizing any immediate dangers that come too close. And for good measure, a 7.62mm machine gun adds another layer of protection. This machine gun is perfect for engaging smaller, more agile targets. Then there's the Coyote. This tube-launched missile is a marvel of engineering. The Coyote is designed to be highly effective against a wide range of aerial threats, including drones and other unmanned systems. With a flight time of 1 hour, it can loiter over battlefields, hunting down drones. This extended flight time allows it to provide continuous surveillance and engage targets as they appear. Networking capabilities allow it to share data with other units, creating a web of defense. This interconnected system ensures that no threat goes unnoticed and allows for coordinated responses. And its warheads, both kinetic and non-kinetic, offer a range of options for neutralizing targets. Whether it's a direct hit or an electronic disruption, the Coyote is equipped to handle various threats effectively. Section 4. Leonitis and DM Shorad. Disabling the enemy with advanced technology. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The military is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. The Leonitis system takes a different approach. Unlike traditional methods, it uses cutting-edge technology to neutralize threats. Using high-powered microwaves, it disables drones by frying their electronics. This method is both efficient and effective, ensuring that enemy drones are rendered useless. Imagine a silent weapon, invisible to the naked eye, capable of taking down an entire swarm of drones in a flash. That's the Leonitis. It's a game-changer in modern warfare. And then there's the DM Shorad. This system is mounted on a Stryker vehicle, making it mobile and versatile. This Stryker-mounted system uses a 50-kilowatt laser to literally melt the components of enemy drones. The power of this laser is astonishing, capable of neutralizing threats in seconds. Its precision is remarkable, its power undeniable. The DM Shorad ensures that no enemy drone stands a chance. These are not weapons of science fiction. They are the reality of modern warfare. The future of defense is here, and it's more advanced than ever. Section 5. The Future of Warfare, a Call to Action. As we stand on the brink of a new era in military technology, the call to action has never been more urgent. The development of these anti-drone vehicles is a testament to American ingenuity and determination. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to ensure that our defenses are not only up to date but also ahead of potential threats. They represent a clear message. We will not be intimidated by this new threat. Our military is prepared to face any challenge head-on, showcasing our strength and resilience. We will adapt, innovate, and overcome. Our ability to evolve with the changing landscape of warfare is what sets us apart. But this is just the beginning. The journey of innovation is ongoing, and we must continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. The future of warfare is being written right now. Every decision, every innovation, and every step forward is shaping the battles of tomorrow, and it will be fought not just with drones, but with the vehicles designed to stop them. These technologies are crucial in maintaining our strategic advantage. The need for continued investment in research and development is clear. Without it, we risk falling behind and compromising our national security. The stakes are too high to ignore. Our adversaries are constantly evolving, and so must we. We must remain vigilant, adaptable, and committed to staying ahead of the curve. Our readiness and adaptability are our greatest strengths. The future of our national security depends on it. Our commitment to innovation and excellence will ensure that we remain a formidable force in the face of any threat.